often used as a subtle flavor enhancer in cooking, offer more than just a pleasing aroma and taste. These leaves, derived from the bay laurel tree, have a rich history of medicinal and culinary use. Bay leaves contain essential oils, vitamins, and minerals that can provide several potential health benefits. One of their notable advantages is their ability to aid in digestion by promoting healthy gut function, reducing bloating, and soothing gastrointestinal discomfort. Bay leaves also possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, bay leaves are believed to support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. They are commonly used to flavor soups, stews, and sauces, imparting both taste and potential health advantages to culinary creations. However, it's essential to remember that bay leaves should be used sparingly and removed before serving, as they can be tough and difficult to digest in their whole form.